Welcome back to Trivia Trek. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to channel so you can get quiz videos every day. Please let us know your scores in comment section below. Let's start with easy questions. Before we begin, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then hit that red subscribe button under the video. Let's start the quiz.
Which country is shaped like a boot? The answer is Italy. Who invented the printing press using movable type in Europe? The answer is Johannes Gutenberg. What is the medical term for the voice box? The answer is larynx. The concept of the categorical imperative is central to the moral philosophy of which thinker? The answer is Immanuel Kant. Which player is known as Air Jordan? The answer is Michael Jordan. Which fairy tale features a girl with hair long enough to climb? The answer is Rapunzel. Which element has the symbol Pb? The answer is lead. The Great Attractor is a gravitational anomaly that influences the motion of galaxies within how many light years? The answer is 250 million. Which fruit is often called a love apple and was once thought to be poisonous? The answer is tomato. What is the world's largest waterfall by volume? The answer is Iguazu Falls. The Pascal is the SI unit of which physical quantity? The answer is pressure. The ancient city of Petra, famous for its rock-cut architecture, was the capital of which kingdom? The answer is Nabatean Kingdom. Which mammal can truly fly? The answer is bat. Who is known as the father of the Internet for his work on TCP/IP? The answer is Vint Cerf. Which artist created the marble sculpture David, 1501 to 1504? The answer is Michelangelo. A regular octahedron has how many faces? The answer is 8. Which singer is known as the King of Pop? The answer is Michael Jackson. What was the name of the ship that brought the Pilgrims to America in 1620? The answer is Mayflower. What is the name of the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves? The answer is transpiration. Which novel features the character Captain Ahab?
Let's set the difficulty to normal now. Before we begin, go and like this video. Are you ready? Let's go.
Which iconic tower was built for the 1889 World's Fair in Paris? The answer is Eiffel Tower. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? The answer is Na. Which planet has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour? The answer is Neptune. The Battle of Stalingrad, 1942 to 1943, is considered a turning point in which war? The answer is World War II. Which Disney movie features the characters Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa? The answer is The Lion King. Which city is built on 118 islands connected by over 400 bridges? The answer is Venice. Which subatomic particle has no electric charge and a very small mass, making it difficult to detect? The answer is neutrino. The concept of the social contract was most famously advanced by which trio of philosophers? The answer is Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau. In golf, what term describes a score of one stroke under par? The answer is birdie. Which author created the detective Sherlock Holmes? The answer is Arthur Conan Doyle. Which element is the lightest and most abundant in the universe? The answer is hydrogen. The sequence 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 consists of what type of numbers? The answer is prime numbers. Which insect is known for its ability to produce light through bioluminescence? The answer is firefly. Which ancient wonder was located at Olympia, Greece? The answer is statue of Zeus. What is the term for the observable physical characteristics of an organism determined by its genes? The answer is phenotype. The Byzantine Empire was the continuation of which earlier empire? The answer is Roman Empire. Which ocean is the largest and deepest on Earth? The answer is Pacific Ocean. Which composer wrote The Four Seasons? The answer is Antonio Vivaldi. What is the name of the nearest star system to the Sun? The answer is Alpha Centauri. Who wrote The Republic, a Socratic dialogue about justice and the ideal state? The answer is Plato.
Now it's time for hard questions. After the video, please comment your scores below. Let's go.
Which drink is made from fermented grapes? The answer is wine. What does SIM and SIM card stand for? The answer is Subscriber Identity Module. The visible spectrum of light is part of which larger electromagnetic band? The answer is ultraviolet. Which poet wrote the line, "I wandered lonely as a cloud"? The answer is William Wordsworth. Which country won the first FIFA World Cup in 1930? The answer is Uruguay. Which desert is the driest non-polar desert in the world? The answer is Atacama Desert. What is the name of the reaction between an acid and a base? The answer is neutralization. The Emancipation Proclamation was issued by which U.S. president? The answer is Abraham Lincoln. Which bird is the national symbol of the United States? The answer is bald eagle. Which artist is famous for painting the persistence of memory featuring melting clocks? The answer is Salvador Dali. What is the name of the process by which bacteria reproduce asexually? The answer is binary fission. Who is credited with independently inventing calculus along with Isaac Newton? The answer is Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Which genre of music originated in Jamaica and features a distinctive rhythmic pattern? The answer is reggae. Who was the first European to reach India by sea, 1498? The answer is Vasco da Gama. What is the law that states energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed? The answer is first law of thermodynamics. Who wrote a treatise of human nature, arguing that reason is a slave to the passions? The answer is David Hume. Which river is the longest in Europe? The answer is Volga River. Which children's book features a character named the Cat in the Hat? The answer is Dr. Seuss. Which planet has the most known moons in our solar system? The answer is Saturn. Who assassinated Archduke Franz Ferdinand?
Leave a comment how much you score. We upload quiz video every day. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can get smarter every day.